Good afternoon, my lovers. Unfortunately, it was pouring with rain this morning, so I couldn't get out. Oh, I was gutted. I wanted to get the GPX over that spot where Matt found that Roman coin so I could get down to the hoard of 50,000 of them in my dreams. But hopefully tomorrow is going to be a much nicer day. I'm hoping that Tony will be able to come out and we'll be able to hit that spot and a few others where we had a few little hot spots in that field, and we're hoping for some even more epic relics. But because I couldn't get out tonight and we're getting towards the end of my month-long challenge, what I want you to do is I want you to get your friends of friends and your family's friends of friends to all subscribe, because I'm getting close to 10,000 subscribers. Yep, 10,000. And if you all subscribe, then I'll carry on for another month. Right, if that was to happen, right, if that happens tonight, if everyone subscribes, then I'll do it for another month. Oh, I'll be cream crackered, I will be. Right, so don't forget, 7 o'clock tonight on my channel, GMT, and I'll see you later. Cheers!